not the plan.
They just said the remote single it
I'm
separately.
glad I paid attention to it.
I'm glad you did too.
Oh God, this is the one in 21. Look, that's the box. I remember that from somewhere else. That is the box.
That's a new one. I don't remember. Mine don't look like that.
See, damn. Okay, this ain't back in stock. I'm back and I'm better. And they can deliver that stuff. Damn, bitch. That's what I'm talking about. Get me, bitch. Oh, get that one. Right. So I'm kind of glad because I'm God. That's why I had told you. I was like, oh no, my phone got lawyer.
Right.
Everybody getting lawyers for this shit. So.
All right.
Shit, I wish I could get 10% discount.
What's up, everybody?
Give me $20.
What's going on? Like the view, share the view.
Like deals, but I don't
We're
know
doing
what
cornstarch prep. We're going to scent some cornstarch. This is my first time with Signature Select cornstarch. I was able to find it today at Vaughn's. I think I'm going to scent some Argo though. And then I'll probably make some chunks. But I don't have a water bottle, unfortunately. It don't matter.
It's too big ones down at the bottom.
Ooh, that's real big.
Oh God, I thought that's what you were talking about.
Girl, that's humongous. That's like a gallon. Hey, what's going on? Hey, everybody. You ever had this one before? Signature Select? Is it good?
He just went recycling a couple days ago. He's trying to be environmental friendly out there.
All right. Does it have the kind of bag where I can make chunks in it? I don't know. I kind of want to make some. I can make the chunks in this bag, huh? You got that local to you? Yes, I got it at the grocery store. I got it at Vaughn's. I have Argo as well. Also have the Clabber Girl. Hey, Katrina. How are you? Okay, so, oh, it's backwards. We have that, and Miss Argo. We're gonna prep in this today. We have our soap. What's some Signature Select? Is that what you're talking about? Okay. I gotta go pick some more up. I only got 2 boxes right now. So we're gonna scent this whole canister of Argo. That's my favorite part of opening the cornstarch. How do you get crunchy chunks? Boil and bake method. And freezing them, of course. "22 long years." Yeah, I love Argo in a container. I can't get enough. All right, so we used to have a hot taste. We used to have a hot taste Argo. So we're scenting Argo with Pink Dove and Cherry Dove right now. I have 4 bars in total in it. And I think we're gonna make some chunks out of this Signature Select. Microwavable chunks. Give it a shot. Thank you for contributing. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the gifts, everybody. Maybe it's just not for you. Who knows? Like, it's not for everybody. Let me get a chair. Hold on. Come and sit down. I'm tired. Before I bug up. What are you talking about? What brand of starch? This is Argo. And I also have Signature Select. Nobody's paying attention to the rude people, honey. Nobody's paying them no attention. Yeah, I'm scenting it with Cherry Dove. I'm not doing handfuls right now. This is cornstarch prep. This is for the next live when I'll have chunks and I'll do the eating and all of that stuff. What's CG? It won't explode, right? No, if you don't leave it in too long, it won't explode. I like to leave mine sitting for 2 days. I like Great Value. Yes, I do. I like it real strong. My mess. Well, that's 1 container down. We have 2 of these boxes and about 4 more of these. So I like to leave mine for 2 days, yes. Clabber Girl. Oh yeah, I have 1 canister of that. I kind of like just snack on that one. That's my like personal. Because you don't let it cook long enough. Let it boil in the water for like 5 hours. Hey, what's up, Duke? How you doing? Yes, fresh cornstarch scent bowl. You're right. I am doing just that. Now, I'll try to make some microwavable chunks. And this is going to be difficult because I forgot my ace bandages. So we'll see how this turns out. How with the bottle? I can't even make water bottle chunks. I don't have a water bottle. Damn. I forgot to buy a water bottle. That's crazy. Oh well. Anywho. Okay, okie dokie. I can never get microwavable chunks. I always burn them. You leave them in too long. How long do you leave them in for? Do you have a mason jar? Somewhere in here. Hey.
Instead of open up.
These are pinto beans. You got the wrong ones.
Which ones I'm supposed to get? The black bean?
Refried. Refried beans, Negro.
But you know what? I'll mush them down. You know, it's kind of like the same base of it.
I know it is.
I didn't want to get the black beans.
7 minutes at most. No, you only need 6. 3 minutes on each side.
So those are okay? Do you want to go and get them changed? It's right down the street.
Go change it in.
Thank you, Mark.
I wasn't expecting.
Because I gave you the list, babe. I want you to do it right.
Can we see you swallow a squeaky spoonful of real quick? I already done that.
I need
and
to
I'm in the
take my
process of
guitar
making my
with me.
chunks right now.
Refried beans, so I have to pay for 2 cans.
Oh, that's why you want it like that. You might as well keep them ones and brush them off, huh?
All right. Yeah. Open it up.
Oh, I want you to keep this on.
It's no telling. I can eat a lot of starch. Especially since I make content for you guys now. A lot. A hell of a lot. Is that your son? That is not my son. That's a grown-ass man. I don't have a son. I only have a daughter.
Okay, look, Brian, look.
No, I don't like water chunks.
Since they said that, this is what I'll do. So,
Yeah.
right. So they're just, right, you take them when you need them from here, and you just leave me 2. So when you come,
Where's the,
Okay.
the
you
can
have
opener?
2 here.
Okay.
Where's the can opener?
Yeah,
It's
3
little
minutes
right
on
there,
each
right
side.
there.
And then do you
Right
wrap
here,
yours in
babe.
the ace bandage? When you wrap it in the ace bandage, wet your ace bandage. Make sure it's wet, and then wrap your starch with it. Yeah, I'm going to stick something in there and pack it down even further in a minute. I just like to do the whole patting because I'm pretty strong, and when I pat, it packs it down like a real good brick. Like if you can see, it's real hard already. And then I tend to do this for a while because I like everything nice and packed. Hey. What is you looking for? Get out my fucking view, my camera view, Negro. The fuck wrong with you?
Cállate la boca, negro.
Shit.
Rockwell, come on. Get the can open and get it here.
I'm looking for
It's
it.
on the table right there. Look, I looked up. The blue and white one?
Hello.
Right here by that.
Welcome to the live. Stop cursing. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I apologize, everybody.
No, the can opener. It's in front of your face.
My bad.
Look down.
Right here.
Come on.
Woohoo! Thank you, you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Emily. Kenya. Is it Keen? It's Kina. I know it is. So I'm gonna pack this down till it's really, really hard like a brick. And then I'm gonna press, and then I'm gonna fold this box up. And then I'm gonna wrap it. And then I'll put it in the microwave. Okay, so I'm saying it right. I just want to make sure I don't say your name wrong. I don't like when I do that. And we're gonna get this nice and packed and tight because that is the key to microwavable chunks. I use an ace bandage or I use a medical sock. Yep, that's my little secret that I found out for myself. You can also use those medical socks that they give you in a hospital. They do the same thing as an ace fucking bandage. And you can squeeze them as tight as you want to. For this method, yes. I only use one box for this method. I feel like for this method, it's only worth one box, to be honest. Be careful. What are you doing? You know you're on live TV being dumb right now?
Let me do it.
Oh my God. Put his ass on YouTube, y'all.
Stop for you.
Put his ass on motherfucking YouTube.
What the fuck is you doing?
What is wrong with him?
Stop.
Jesus.
Come over here, nigga.
My favorite starch is Rumford and Clabber Girl. You okay, bro?
Okay.
You was stuck for a minute.
Air conditioner because he's sweating.
Oh, hold on. I got
Yeah,
it.
he probably could have a seizure. Hopefully he don't. Sit down, Marquito.
Alright, it should kick in.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Man.
Can I smoke some weed, bro?
Marquito,
Boy,
could you stop doing that shit? Stop
what is wrong with you?
doing that.
Ow!
Sorry about that, y'all.
Sit down. Sit down.
Come on, man.
Okay.
Here, take this shirt off.
No.
Sit down. Here, Brian, I opened it.
Rinse them off.
I got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. That is.
All right. So now that that has been pressed down, Fuck. I forgot to get some tape. Yeah, see my ghetto style of making this.
Okay, no problem.
What is you doing?
Damn trash can. Huh?
Oh, thank you, nigga. Now you want to do the third time? You could have did the first.
Yeah, I'm gonna freeze these ones though.
I can help you. Who's gonna be my interview?
So I put them in the microwave for 3 minutes.
Doing too much already.
Lay it down on one side, and then we'll do the other side. Woo! Somebody said that the cornstarch sits fast, but I don't think Argo does. Let me see.
I hear it soon, and it got me liking it. That's about it.
It did sin already a little bit. I'll probably leave it in the refrigerator all night.
Now you're disrespecting me. You give me a kiss and don't say nothing disrespectful.
Yes, I can. If I can hear you, they can hear you. And it's about how many people in this room?
Wow. Well, I didn't know that. That's some real stuff, right?
All right. How long in the refrigerator? All night. I will be back in the morning with the crunch and the, scented starch and everything, and I'll eat and do handfuls and soapfuls and.
Somebody old with a heart like you.
But right now, I am making dinner for us. Let's see. Gonna have burritos. I'm finna get off of here.